D'Artagnan, stop. Porthos, get away from me. D'Artagnan! Jonathan, will you please help your mother? What? I gave you some. Jonathan, seriously. Ew, you're on my boob. You're on my boob. Stop it. D'Artagnan. Jonathan, help your mother. Quit laughing at me and help me. Seriously, boy, this is not funny. Put it away and take away these cats.
I can't do nothing. They won't listen to me.
Go put them somewhere. Stop!
They're not my cats.
He is, and he's being the worst. Did you see that? He just did talk to the hand to me. Oh, thank God. Oh, uh-oh. Stop. Stop. Jonathan, stop.
Shy Eye's looking at it. She licked her tongue too.
Get away! Jonathan, seriously, are you recording this and not helping me? You are an ass munch.